Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Mooka vacuum sealer. This is a 4-in-1 sealing system with a cutter and 10 sealing bags, and it has a multi-use vacuum packing machine and pumping hose. It can be used for dry and moist food made for food preservation. So this is the Amazon listing. You can get it for about $80 at the moment. It seems to be Amazon's choice. A lot of people seem to be very happy with it. I can't tell you how long it's on the market. For me, it seems it's more like a new system, which is always very good. So here you have the details. So it's the most interesting thing is of course the extra with this external pumping function. So probably I will have to do another a detailed review to cover this. So let's check the box. I have to widen the focus a little bit. It's a huge box. Here you see everything from the side. Hope you can see that. Most food, moist, dry food settings, removable drip tray, convenient roll storage and roll cutter, continuous work for 40 times. Yeah, that's a lot. Here maybe we have more description. We have a website. That's really good. So if you need support, keep away from children under 3 years, of course. Do we have some other information? Not. Maybe there's something in the box. So let's open the box and see what we find. Okay. I hope I can grab this here. Okay, looked really good. So first we have this instruction, nice big booklet. I hope I can open that quick. Hold on a second, shouldn't take too long. And I cut this, so it obviously has some extra seals, or I'll have to see what's the usage of these two things. So obviously this probably is the external vacuum pump which you can use to seal like wine bottles or something like that. I have to find out how this works. Can't see what that is. So here we have the user manual, small introduction, some kind of warranty, and very important, some people they tend to lose these things. So here, if you need it and watching the video, this is the support email address, really helpful. Product specifications, really good. It works for 110 and 240 volts, so should be working worldwide. That's really good. I really appreciate this. And some other product features, function buttons if you need that, product diagram, how to vacuum and seal, how to cut. So if you are not interested into this booklet, so you can fast forward a little bit in this video, because I will show every page for very short time. So for the people who lost these instructions, and that's it. I mean, this is in German. If you like it in German, no, probably not. So very fast in German as well. very big surprise that I see this in German. It gets more and more of these instruction manuals come in German. That's a big surprise. I mean, it's good for me, but maybe not so helpful for others. So let's see what we find in here. Okay, so it's definitely new. You see also this seal here. Can remove, and then probably we need this part, and we have the bags. So according to the instructions on the Amazon page, there are 3 types of bags. Here you see the one with this special texture, and that should be good for vacuum and sealing, or sealing and vacuuming. So I think it's just 10 bags of same kind. I'm not totally sure. I can check this for you. Here I can open that. So let's see what we have here. Okay, no. Seems we have, yeah. So it has the same texture, but 2 different sizes. So we have probably 5 small ones. Yes. Okay, we have 5 small bags and 5 large bags within this set. So when you use it a lot, you will definitely have to order additional bags. And I have already seen in the Amazon, in the description or in the Q&A section, that you can order the replacement bags also on Amazon, so they don't look too expensive. Okay, I don't know if we can open. Yeah, we can open that. So that's interesting. Yeah, this seems to be the wire, and the strap, I mean the wire will heat up, and there's probably the protection and also on top. And here seems to be the part which you can use for cutting. And here I don't see what it is. This obviously movable part. So what I'm missing at the moment is some kind of wire, cable. Okay, so we have this underneath. So very convenient, you see. Yeah, it's somehow integrated into this model. Very, very convenient. The only thing is it's fully attached. You can see here there's nothing, so you can't change this wire like to a European wire or something like that. So if you go to another country, you have to buy an adapter, and can't use like sometimes there are some models where you can replace the whole cord. So, but I'm not complaining about this, because I really like the fact that it's working for 110 to 240 volts, and that means worldwide usage. You only have to buy a new plug or a new adapter. Here you have the buttons again, 2 modes: dry, moist, food, and this is vacuum, this is seal only, and cancel. I don't know, cancel, or if that means stop, I don't know. So definitely at the moment a little bit too complicated to show you this thing right away. I will have to read the instructions and bring some food, plug it in, and then I will be able to show you. But for the moment everything looks really good. That's quite heavy, so you got a lot of equipment for the money. Yeah, that's about it for the moment. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer any question as long as if I'm able to, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.